Soil texture parameters are required for the calculation of runoff generation in Talsim when the soil moisture runoff calculation method is selected in the subbasin properties. This method is the most complex rainfall runoff calculation method in Talsim. Soil parameters are not created through a system element but are saved as part of the dataset. Click on System in the menu bar and choose Soil Texture to access the soil texture data of different soil horizons. Here you can either edit existing soil horizons or create a new one. Click on the Create a New Soil Horizon button and assign a name to the new soil horizon. By choosing a texture type from the drop-down menu, the rest of the parameters will be filled with the default values that are assigned to that texture type automatically. You can then edit the parameters. However, if you choose a new texture type, the values will be overwritten with the new default values of the new texture type. Click OK to save and your new soil horizon will appear in the overview of soil horizons. To edit an existing soil horizon, double-click on it, edit the values in the Properties window, and click OK to save. Now you have the overview of all created soil horizons that can later on be assigned to a soil type.